Guys, do I have a story for you today? Today we're talking about a very dumb thing that I did my first week living abroad. So this was in Honduras. And yeah, today we're gonna have a little US expat story time. Hello everyone, if you're new, my name is Kara and I am currently living in the Dominican Republic, although last year I lived in Honduras. Today we're going to be talking about a time when I lost my wallet my first week living in Honduras. Let's just dive right in. In August 2019, I moved to Honduras to start teaching English at an international school. Thankfully, I had a coworker who lived there the year before, and he was able to help me, show me around to supermarkets, grocery stores, and just help get me accustomed. One day I went with him to the grocery store, me and another new coworker. What you had to do at that grocery store, when you got to the cashier part, you would put your items back in the cart, then go to the counter they had against the wall, and then pack your stuff in bags. So I did that. I packed all my stuff up in my bag, took my bag, and I left. What I did not realize is that I left my wallet on the counter in the grocery store. This wasn't just my wallet with enough cash to get groceries. I just moved there and I had left everything in my wallet. Everything. Okay, I still had my passport in there. I still had all of the US cash, all of the US dollars that I brought to convert to get me started before I got paid for the first time. And I had the money that I'd already converted. Oh, and my credit cards, and probably my driver's license. It was really bad. Word of advice, once you move to a place, if you're going to go shopping somewhere and you're going to take your wallet, take everything you don't need out of your wallet. So I was still new, I was still getting accustomed. I did have to go to school the first days that I was there, so I was kind of busy. I didn't think to take my stuff out of my wallet. I should have, but I did not. And that's what I left in the store. Literally everything I needed. The funny part, I didn't even realize I left it there, so it's not like I got home, realized I was missing it, and then rushed back to the store to go grab it. No, I did not realize. I didn't have a clue. I don't know how. I left my wallet there. I didn't even realize until the next day at school. I think classes had already started at that point, and at one point during the day, one of the cleaning ladies at the school told me, oh, you need to go talk to this other cleaning lady because she has some information for you. I was like, okay. So eventually I found her. I was still getting used to names, so maybe she found me. She was telling me, and I was still getting used to the Spanish, so I was not understanding entirely. She was telling me, you lost your documents. And I was like, what? What documents? Now, I got confused because earlier that day I did turn in some documents that I needed to turn in to the school, to the principal. So I was trying to tell her, no, I already turned them in to the principal. I know where they are, they're with her. But she was still saying that I lost something, and I was so confused. And I had to go to class in that moment, so I went to class, I came back to talk to her, and then she showed me a picture of somebody who texted her a picture of my passport. That's when it struck me. Oh my goodness, I left my passport, I left my wallet, my everything that I had that was valuable at the grocery store. Now, I feel so blessed that I was living in a small town and that such a situation like that could happen, that the store owner could contact the cleaning lady and tell me that I had lost my wallet. I'm very blessed and fortunate that that was the case, but it was still a shock. And she gave me the number of the store manager, and I was texting him, and he was telling me, it's okay, we have it here in the office, just make sure when you come, ask for me, and he told me his name. I was in shock. In that moment, I was going crazy. I was like, I wish I had free time right now to go run to the store and just get my wallet back in my hands. But I waited till the end of the day, and I later found out that the manager, he was actually a father of one of my students, which we didn't know at the time because I was still getting my class schedule, meeting all my students. But yes, later I did realize that he was the father of one of my students. So it's crazy. Yes, it was a small town and it worked in my favor, thank God. So after school, I booked it straight to the store and I got my wallet back and it had everything in it. I tell you, not even a cent was missing. So that was really just a complete miracle. I definitely do not advise making the same mistake. Please don't lose your wallet, especially not your first week living abroad, your first time to the grocery store when they don't even know you yet. And if you do take your wallet, take everything out of it before you go. Leave it at home, store it in a safe place. Don't make the same mistake. That was just a miracle, and I'm so blessed that I lived in a small enough town for that to even happen. I hope you guys enjoyed this story. I hope you do not make the same mistake as me. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!